Hi, welcome to Road 200 Quant. So P and Q together can complete a piece of work in 42 days. So again we'll do LCM method. P plus Q is 42 days. Q plus R can complete a work in 30 days. P plus R can complete a work in 35 days. If you take LCM, it's 210. So P and Q, so 210 units of work. So P and Q will do 5 units of work per day, 7 units of work, 6 units of work. So when you add, it becomes 2P plus 2Q plus 2R will do 5 plus 10 plus 6, 18 units of work per day. So P plus Q plus R will do 9 units of work per day. Now to find individual work, you can subtract. For example, if I subtract P and Q doing 5 units of work, from that you will get R will complete 4 units of work per day. Similarly, if you subtract Q and R, you will get P will be completing 2 units of work per day and Q will be completing 3 units of work per day. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now let's start. So P started a work. So P worked for 5 days. So P worked 2 into 5, 10 units of work. Then P and Q both worked, which is 2 plus 3 units of work for 10 days. So which is 50 units of work. So they together complete 60 units of work. How much is left? 210 minus 60, which is 150 units of work is left. Who is working? Q and R are working. Q plus R, which is 3 plus, Q left and R joined. So Q left and R joined, it means P and R are working. So which is 2 plus 4, 6 units of work per day. So number of days taken is 150 upon 6, which is 25 days. Number of days taken will be 150 units of work. Each day they complete 6 units of work. So that will be 25 days. He purchased, let's say he purchases X apples, so A apples, 3.2A plus 4.8B, total cost is 24. Multiply by 10, 32A plus 48B equal to 240. You see, everything is divided by 16. So you can make out 2A plus you can make out 3B equal to 15. 15 multiple of 3. 3B is a multiple of 3. So A should be a multiple of 3. So let me put 6 and check out. So 2 into 6, 12. So plus 3 into 1 will give you 15. Satisfies. Right. So maximum number of apples is 6. D option. You can use the options of student also check out. There are many other ways of solving it. This is one way of solving. A cylindrical vessel is filled with milk and water in a ratio of 2:1. And this is cylindrical. And in the same radius height, conical vessel is 1:3. So let's say 1 liter and 3 liter for cone. So total becomes 4 liters. Now cylinder we know is 3 times the volume of cone, because what's the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. What's the volume of cylinder? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Cone and cylinder. So that means cylinder will be 12 liters. So 12 liters means it will be 8 liters and 4 liters. So for mix, so you can make out milk will be 9 liters and water will be 7 liters. So 9:7. C option. So cylinder is twice that of cone. If cone is 4 liters, cylinder will be 12 liters, which is 8 milk and 4 water. So mix, you will get 9 and 7. So if you notice, all these are in arithmetic progression. So total is equal to average into n. Now n is same for everyone. So wherever average is the smallest, that will be the answer. Now average can also be taken as first term plus last term divided by 2. So average in the first case is 75. Second case for B, average will be 50 plus 95 upon 2, because last term will be 95. 145 upon 2, which is 72.5. If you keep on adding 5 9 times, basically adding 45. So your last term will be 95. In the next case, the average will be 65 plus 83 upon 2, because if you keep on adding 2, you are adding 18 9 times. So last term will be 83. So which you take out is 148 upon 2, 74. So from that you can make out the smallest averages for B. That will also be the smallest total. B. Interior angle of a polygon is 5 times the exterior angle. So interior angle is equal to 5 times the exterior angle. I know interior plus exterior is equal to 180. So interior is 5, exterior plus exterior is 180. From that you can make out exterior is 30. Also exterior I know is 360 upon number of sides. So number of sides will be 360 upon 30, which will give you 12 as the answer. C option. So number of sides is 12. Thank you.